we don't protect this behind us, who will?
We're here at Clearwater Beach today just to represent or to bring awareness to the fact that we can no longer wait for plastic pollution to have a solution. These are water-soluble products for environments just like this, where we know plastic will find its way eventually in the post-consumer world.
One day, we hope that all these children will never see a plastic bottle in the water again.
Since you've been here, have you noticed a lot of plastic in the environment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've actually picked up a fair amount of plastic just on the beach ourselves.
So we see in the water, and when we're diving, we try to put it in our pocket.
That's awesome. Yeah. We can no longer stand by and wait for a solution to the plastic crisis. We cannot allow the plastification of our oceans to continue. So you have noticed that there is kind of a plastic. We're looking around here, there's aluminum, paper, there's all kinds of materials that are just kind of misplaced by humans.
Oh yeah, for sure. I've definitely noticed some. We just walked up and down the beach. There was a ton of stuff on the side, stuff like that.
If you knew that there was a material that was made that could be dissolved using nothing but water, that would look and feel like conventional plastic, would that be something that you would say, wow, that's a great innovation?
Oh, 100%. I think that'd be huge.
If you think about a water-soluble solution to a product like plastic, currently, right, is what pollutes our water, to make that the enemy of plastic and actually be the natural solvent that it is to get rid of the things that we use every single day.
I'm definitely very zero waste oriented.
That's awesome.
So definitely go something
Amazing.
that can be go back into the environment. For sure.
Fantastic. If you were looking at two products side by side, would you buy the product that was water soluble?
Yes, if it's economic.
Yeah.
It's a cost value relate.
Sure.
Sustainability.
The time has come where we can no longer wait for companies to make a decision and change the way plastic materials are made. And even to that point, the fact that water is everywhere, right? Our bodies, the environment, and most of this pollution, unfortunately, as a society, winds up in nature in one way or another, whether we put it in our garbage cans or just discard it recklessly. Most of our plastic products are in the environment. And the truth is that as a society, we would not exist today, or we wouldn't be as advanced as we are without plastic. It's a great material. It just, unfortunately, the post-consumer level, it's terrible. So we need to find a solution to that. How do we make more responsible packaging? And that's what Timeplast does. Like you said, water solubility is, for lack of a better word, it's a no-brainer. A company has designed a product that is an end-to-end solution. Timeplast is now making materials that are better from the inception. From the time they are produced, our materials are water soluble. You may have a bit of a higher price, but it's not something that's exponentially different. And we always like to ask, is sustainability something you would pay more for? Yeah, a little bit, right? I don't like to say, as long as it's somewhat comparable,
Yeah.
we're okay with that. You would definitely, especially if you see two products side by side, the exact same price, we definitely go with the greener option, right? Awesome. Timeplast is the only true end-to-end solution, from manufacturing the material to manufacturing products, and then more importantly, at the end of life, giving the consumer the ability to discard and dispose, effectively eliminate plastic waste altogether. Are you willing to pay a little more? Yeah. Thank you very much.
Obviously, everything depends on cost.
Yeah,
So-
that's the second time today we get that. And the good thing is that we are competitive with conventional plastic. Everything out here seems to be, they're doing a good job, but no matter what, it's impossible to get away from the fact that plastic pollution is everywhere. I think the numbers are 46,000 pieces plastic pollution per square mile. That's a number that's not sustainable.
For us to become a level 1 civilization, we have to find a solution. And we have. In the case of plastic, it's Timeplast.